How to get free play points on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get free play points on Google Play Store. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's start. First of all, launch your Google Play Store application onto your device, and when you tap on your profile at the top right, if you are enrolled into the play points of Google Play Store, you should be able to see this play point option under manage apps and devices. Since I'm not enrolled in that, I'm just going to tell you how you can get play points very easily on Google Play Store. So let's start. One of the steps is making purchases. Buy apps, games, books or in-app items using the Google Play's billing system. Just make purchases from the Google Play points, and you should be able to receive Google Play points by making purchases that cost money. Or you may just subscribe to a Google One from Android to app or game through the Google Play Store. You may just go on with the process of subscribing to the app or game through the Google Play Store. After that, you should be able to earn Google Play points. Another thing is you may just complete the surveys. Take short surveys on Google Surveys to earn Google Pay or PayPal credit. You may just go on with the process of completing the surveys and you can earn Google Pay or PayPal credit. You may also participate in promotions to get the Google Play points. Some promotions offers additional points for first-time subscribers or for making purchases during a specific time period. Another thing is trying featured apps and game. You may just try free apps and game that are featured by Google, and you should be able to earn Google Play points. And after doing so, in order to check your promotions, you just need to go to the Google Play Store app. After that, tap on your profile in the top right as I showed before. After that, tap on the play points. You should be able to see that play points only if you have enrolled, if you are enrolled into the play points. After that, look at the list of the promotions and their special offers at the bottoms, and you can redeem your points for in-app items offered by developers, Google Play credit to rent movies or buy audiobooks and discount coupons, and you can level up from bronze to platinum to earn points faster and get weekly prizes. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to earn Google Play points just by doing so. I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.